Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing a review on Blackbox AI. And Blackbox AI is kind of like ChatGPT and DeepSeek and all those other chat AIs. As you can see, I am here, Blackbox.ai, and we're in the chat section right now. And I asked you to tell me about yourself, and you're saying I'm Blackbox AI assistant designed to help you with a wide range of questions and tasks. So Blackbox is designed to help you with a wide range of questions and tasks. Its capability includes providing information, answering queries, assisting with problem solving, and offering insights across various topics. It is here to help you make your experience as informative and efficient as possible. Then asking how you can assist me. So I want to ask it, what advantages does it have over others? So I think it has several advantages that may set it apart from other AI assistants. Now what are they? Comprehensive knowledge base. It has a wide range of information up to October 2023, allowing him to provide detailed and relevant answers across various topics. Contextual understanding, user-centric design, adaptability, problem-solving skills, continuous learning. Now for the pros, it's easy 24/7 availability. It's always available to assist you regardless of the time of the day. Quick information retrieval, rapid, and helps you save your time in research. It covers a wide range of knowledge as its topics. No judgment. You can ask anything without fear of judgment. Consistency in the response on the data trained. And when it comes to the cons, limited understanding of nuances, dependence on training data, because now it is based on data of October 2023, so it may not have latest information or developments. That's a basic con. Lack of personal experience, potential for misinterpretation, and no real-time learning. So that's it about Blackbox. What are you waiting for? Can give it a try.